In this video, we'll talk about an often ignored component of a question that many Tesla investors, well, what do the investing sages recommend? It appears that rumors about Charlie Munger buying Tesla stock have reached a fever pitch in as the media, and that there is one frequently overlooked reason as to why Charlie in particular is likely to have gone through with the purchase of Tesla stock already. So buckle up and get ready to learn more about the wise Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. Many people guide themselves by the fact that Buffett and Munger have long held Tesla competitor shares. However, what they fail to account for is the one crucial thing that Munger has said about Elon that affects everything about how investors should perceive when it comes to Tesla. Despite ups and downs in the company's stock price, Charlie Munger appears to be betting on Elon. Keep watching and hit the like and subscribe button. In recent months, Tesla has made some strides toward this goal, cutting the delivery wait times for its Model 3 and Model I cars to only 1 week. For Tesla fans who have been deterred by the lengthy wait times that have impeded sales, Tesla has made a noteworthy advancement. This is very comforting information. The shorter wait times could lead to a significant rise in demand for the company's electric cars, which could be one reason for the massive investment. Charlie Munger abruptly changed his mind about the company, and in a recent interview with CNBC, he praised Tesla for its remarkable achievements in rapid expansion, expressing his bullishness towards the company and its exceeding of expectations. Previously, Munger had been skeptical of the electric vehicle industry. Munger even went so far as to call Elon Musk's Tesla an amazing accomplishment for the American auto industry. But this admiration stands in sharp contrast to his previous criticism of Musk and Tesla in 2018. In that year, he called Musk a remarkable man in certain aspects, but also criticized his actions, saying that he shouldn't be tweeting or traveling to Mars. Munger also expressed skepticism about Tesla's valuation in 2019, stating that while he had no idea if they would succeed, the valuation put on them was extreme. Despite this, Tesla has emerged as one of the world's most valuable companies, with the market capitalization exceeding $600 billion as of January this year. Munger's change of heart towards Tesla showcases the company's significant accomplishments and influence. In the industry, I still remember this moment clearly during the Daily Journal's 2019 shareholder meeting. Munger expressed similar sentiments about Elon Musk, but added that he wouldn't hire him personally. It was shocking that time to hear that Munger believed that he would prefer to hire someone who understands their limitations rather than someone who doesn't. However, Munger acknowledged how sometimes individuals who overestimate themselves can achieve great success. And this is where we need to pause and carefully examine Munger's words. He explained that he did not want to surround himself with people who live in a state of delusion and occasionally win big instead. He preferred to have prudent individuals in his personal life. Charlie Munger, the vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, was asked about Elon Musk and Tesla's recent ups and downs during the Daily Journal annual shareholders meeting. While Munger's remarks emphasized the value of self-awareness and striking a balance between confidence and humility, my thoughts are also in reference to a strategy used by investors to wager that a stock will decline. Munger stated, "I would never sell Tesla short." He went on, "Never underestimate the man who overestimates himself. In my opinion, Elon Musk is a peculiar man who may overestimate himself, but he may not always be incorrect." All things considered, Munger's remarks suggested he recognizes that Musk is a formidable figure who should not be underestimated. If there was ever a Tesla short seller, those who bet against Elon can attest to the wisdom of Munger's thoughts. Munger acknowledged that Musk may be peculiar and that he may also be right sometimes. 2022 saw a dramatic decline for Elon Musk's company, which has been listed on a public market since 2010, after the general trend of its businesses with inflated. Valuations suffering losses cannot be the only explanation for the decrease in the price of Tesla's. The company's difficulties were also exacerbated by other elements, like as continuous covert lockdowns in China, supply chain disruptions, and the turmoil surrounding the planned acquisition of Twitter for $44 billion, which involved the sale of $4 billion worth of Tesla shares. The company's stretched valuations and speculation made it a prime target for shorting in recent years. So despite these difficulties, short sellers were able to profit from Tesla's declining stock price. In 2021, short interest in Tesla reached a peak of $47.8 billion, And in 2022, short sellers profited greatly, earning around $13.5 billion in mark-to-market profits throughout the year. However, during the first 2 months of 2023, Tesla short sellers experienced a reversal of fortunes. Tesla's stock recovered sharply, rising as much as 98% between the start of January and the middle of February. The trend was sparked by news of better than expected fourth quarter deliveries and a favorable full year delivery prediction for 2023. In addition, the controversy around the Twitter Muscle acquisition receded, especially with regard to the recommendation not to sell any more Tesla shares. In addition, Tesla lowered the price of a few of its models, which bolstered investor confidence. As of right now, short interest in Tesla is around $15.75 billion, or less than 3% of the company's total float. However, so far in 2023, short sellers have lost roughly $6.65 billion in mark-to-market value. This demonstrates the validity of Charlie's counsel. You will eventually lose a lot of money if you wager against Elon Musk at every step. Charlie Munger is a well-liked and respected figure in the finance industry because of his wisdom on business investment and life in general, which is highly regarded and sought after by many. He has also made other public comments about Tesla during his extremely important time company. As vice chairman, Munger has significantly contributed to Berkshire Hathaway's success and helped to develop the company's investment philosophy, which has led to it being one of the most prosperous companies in history. Concern is raised by Charlie Munger regarding electric vehicles. A Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer that competes with Tesla dominates the market. BYD has been described by Munger as his all-time favorite stock. For those of our viewers who are unaware, Berkshire Hathaway has owned the company since 2008, and its investment has produced returns of more than 600%. This is a brief comparison of BYD and Tesla, while both Tesla and BYD are producers of electric vehicles. There are some distinctions between the two. BYD is a Chinese firm that was established in 1995, whilst Tesla is an American company that was founded in 2003. While BYD is mostly focused on the Chinese market, Tesla has a larger market capitalization and is more well-known worldwide. When asked what you preferred, BYD said that he preferred Tesla over its larger range of models, which includes luxury automobiles and trucks, whereas Tesla concentrates primarily on producing affordable electric vehicles. However, BYD has a larger capacity for manufacturing batteries than Tesla. Munger vehemently retorted, highlighting how Tesla's car prices dropped in China last year while BYD was able to raise theirs. BYD's manufacturing capacity in China, according to Munger, is almost absurd when compared to Tesla's, as the former's acreage is roughly equivalent to a significant piece of Manhattan Island. Over the course of the company's production of 386 7.5 vehicles in the first 2 quarters of 2021, Tesla produced 1.91 million automobiles. In the third quarter of 2022, the automaker delivered almost exactly the same amount of cars, 3,400. According to Munger, Tesla experienced a notable 55.95 growth in quarterly revenue for the quarter that ended in September, reaching $21.454 billion, nearly $75 billion in revenue was generated by Tesla during this time, a notable increase of 59.8 over the same period previous year. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has contributed significantly to society. He called the company's success in the automobile industry a small miracle and said it had been a while since a new, prosperous automaker emerged. Earlier this year at the Daily Journal's annual meeting, renowned investor and successful investor Charlie Munger issued a warning. He pointed out that there was a lot of venture capital and other private equity funding available, that shorts had reached an all-time high, and that the economy was in danger due to some people's deplorable excesses. Munger also warned that the financial markets were seriously in trouble. The price increases of main categories of goods have led to consumers spending more on commodities than they did a year ago. According to Munger, who also attributed the rapidly rising cost of commodities to factors such as GameStop in the Bitcoin market and the excesses of the financial markets, rising global inflation rate. Munger presented evidence of inflationary pressure using the Consumer Price Index's 12 monthly percentage changes as of October of this year. Please share your thoughts with us in the comments box below. We'll keep you updated. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next one. Any more Tesla shares? In addition, Tesla lowered the price of a few of its models, which bolstered investor confidence. As of right now, short interest in Tesla is around $15.75 billion, or less than 3% of the company's total float. However, so far in 2023, short sellers have lost roughly $6.65 billion in mark-to-market value. This demonstrates the validity of Charlie's counsel. You will eventually lose a lot of money if you wager against Elon Musk at every step. Charlie Munger is a well-liked and respected figure in the finance industry because of his wisdom on business investment and life in general, which is highly regarded and sought after by many. He has also made other public comments about Tesla during his extremely important time for the company as vice chairman. Munger has significantly contributed to Berkshire Hathaway's success and helped to develop the company's investment philosophy, which has led to it being one of the most prosperous companies in history. Concerns raised by Charlie Munger regarding electric vehicles, a Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer that competes with Tesla, dominates the market. BYD has been described by Munger as his all-time favorite stock. For those of our viewers who are unaware, Berkshire Hathaway has owned the company since 2008. Its investment has produced returns of more than 600%. This is a brief comparison of BYD and Tesla. While both Tesla and BYD are producers of electric vehicles, there are some distinctions between the two. BYD is a Chinese firm that was established in 1995, whilst Tesla is an American company that was founded in 2003. While BYD is mostly focused on the Chinese market, Tesla has a larger market capitalization and is more well-known worldwide. When asked which he preferred, BYD said that he preferred Tesla over its larger range of models, which